Hey, Valentino. Hey, my baby. How you doing, my baby? You ready to film another video, Valentino? Yeah? Mi amor. Mi preciosa baby. Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. As y'all can see, we're gonna go on a film with Valentino. Hi, baby. Okay, baby, don't be me like that. Today we're gonna go and film a really fun video. I'm gonna go take you guys along the balcony and give you guys a fun plenty update video. I'm so excited. It is very messy. There's a lot of plants, but I got it from this video so I can go and move the balcony again because I have some ideas. I want to like rearrange the balcony. So yeah, but I'm so excited. Let's go and get this video started. Okay, ay, me pega la pie. Hold on, I gotta take my thumbnail first, which usually I do in a different video, but I'm gonna go and take you guys along. And which honestly, this will be a very short video. Okay, I got my thumbnail. So here it is, you guys. I got a bunch of plants. I don't know, I feel like there's not a lot of birds in the bird feeder. Like there's like 1 or 2 a day, but I think I'm gonna give it to my mom because she has more birds. But I still have to figure it out. But by the way, you guys, look at this global green. Both of these I got it for 50% off at Lowe's. They're $20, but they're $10 after discounts. And they honestly didn't look that good. It didn't look that good, but as soon as I placed them outside, this global green is flushing out like crazy. And then that neon pothos is doing pretty good too, so that's really fun. Look at this Tradescantia, like in this one julep pothos. Like look at these leaves, you guys. So much fun. Like hold on girl, like look at this. My hands are so dry, I'm so sorry. Oh my god. You can see the new leaf coming in. I just love looking at each leaf, and also the leaves are so firm. And if you can see, para acá, it's kind of like difficult to walk by. As you can see, para acá, do y'all see this? Like, oh my god. She loves it outside. It makes me super duper happy. So nice and lush. Look at this one. And this dark Lord philodendron. Already, y'all, my mother called. She was letting me know that there's a bunch of cascarones eggs, like Easter eggs, and Easter piñatas on the street, and I'm so excited. After filming, I'm gonna go and buy all the decor. I'm just so excited for, like, I don't know, I love making family gatherings. It just makes me so happy. I'm gonna cry. But yes, you guys, like I have a bunch of babies para acá. I'm gonna see if I can close the door. And I'm kind of scared because there is wasps para acá que vienen, so I gotta be careful. I know they're not that bad, but I'm paranoid of them because of my childhood. Look at this Spectalium. No, I think it's Platinum Peace Lily. Oh my god, look at this new leaf. Stunning. Here is a neon pothos that I'm currently propagating. Look at all these new leaves. I did it by notes, y'all already know. And I have another free neon pothos, which is super duper fun. This coffee plant was from HEB, and they finally repotted to its new on pot. It was struggling in the beginning, but as you can see, all the new leaves are looking super duper good. And then this Bergara Monstera, sorry, Maranta. Oh my god, I keep saying Monstera. Every time I see this, I see Monstera, but it's because, like, I guess it's the patterns or the colors that reminds me so much of the Thai constellation. But no, this girl's beautiful even by, like, look at that leaf. Oh my god, like, this is why I love this plant so much. It's a Variegated Maranta, and I actually have it in the living room, but I repotted let me show you. Like this plants para acá, all these, like these, were just freshly repotted yesterday. So I placed them outside to water them, and they're gonna go back inside today. Pero repotted it on this beautiful pot that I got from Walmart. Like, I think it looks really good. I love how it has speckles. Looks really good with the Maranta. I'm gonna place it back there so I don't. So tight in there. Okay. And yeah, and here is my black dragon. Yeah, Black Dragon Sansevieria, I believe. And I finally repotted it on its own pot, you guys. Like, this is one of my oldest plants, also from Park for 10 2 years ago. I had this plant for 2 years ago, and look how big. It's super duper heavy, but it got so big, and it was reverting back because they revert back whenever they don't get enough light. I had to place it outside, so that's good because once it reverts back, it doesn't go back to its original. So from what I heard. And here is my geranium that these birds love to like throw their seeds, which is perfectly fine. I see dirt. I don't know if my plants fell off. I don't see no, because sometimes, well, it only happened one time. This Baltic blue fell off from the ceiling. She's pretty big, huh? I had it para acá in that little corner, and I guess it got really heavy, so it just fell. But here she is. She's getting pretty big. I have it on the floor as of now, but I do want to go and hang it somewhere. I just don't know yet. And yes, here's a geranium. I just needed some flowers outside because I get so much light acá, and I gotta cut off the old blooms, but there's new blooms coming in. Look at these. There's also a beautiful petunia, succulent. My God damn it, it's an outdoor plant. Oh my god, the fact that I forgot. Geranium? No, it's not. This is a geranium. That's a morning glory. No. God, I forgot, you guys. It's my mother's favorite plant, but it has a bunch of flowers. And then here's my strawberry plant. Here's these beautiful rubber trees or tinikis. Like, look at that new leaf, and then look at this beautiful leaf coming in. You can see the Baltic Syngonium. Sorry, Batik Syngonium peeking through. My philodendron getting, my split leaf philodendron getting a bunch of light. This plant like literally doesn't get burnt. My fiddle, as you can see, has taken a hit. But this is an outdoor plant. Well, when we buy them, they're not hardened off. They're like used to the greenhouse environments, like indoors environments. So I know that I shocked it a bit, but I wanted to harden off and I wanted to catch the sun because I wanted to grow super duper fast. But we're gonna figure it out. You can see the little money tree para acá. Here is this really fun Bigonia maculata. I think it's a neon or pink syngonium. Here is this albo syngonium that a really amazing, generous follower sent to me. Hey Kelly, I love it so much. And here she is, by the way, girly. Like, look at her. She's doing so good. Thank you so much. Like, this was my longest wishlist plant, and I'm beyond grateful that she sent it. Here is a golden Xanadu. It did put out a new leaf. It's like over here somewhere. See, aquí está. This little guy. Here is my variegated green hot leaf philodendron. The mother plant died off, but I had extra cuttings, and this is all I have left. But it's doing pretty good. I have this one and here, and then I have one para acá. This guy, which was only one cutting, but you can see the new leaf coming in. Yay! I'm so excited. But this is my favorite Tradescantia. Like, you guys look at this. Like, look at her. God. This was from cutting. This is from Cutting's Girl. I had the mother plant, which I gave it to my mom. Because, like, it was such a beautiful plant. It makes me super duper happy. And I just had to share it with her. But, it's gorgeous. I want to give it a haircut, but I love the way it looks. But I have to, though, because, like, I love how full it's getting. But I don't know if I let it grow, it's gonna block my Manjula potos, and I do not want that. So I'm gonna just chop it para acá, let it get like wider, but not longer. And I can literally, what I do, I just cut this over here. This will be a plant, and then each leaf, I'll just make it into a complete new plant. Very easy to propagate. And there is another Tradescantia para acá también, another beautiful one. And you can see like a bunch of stuff para acá. My Hoya, this Hoya bloomed, but I touched it too much and the flowers fell off. So that's on that. These white pots that are soap watering pots, which I got it from Amazon, and the macrames as well. They have one petunia plant, and this one has been getting full, as you can see. The other ones don't, because this one gets the most light. If you can like tell the difference, because that blocks this light. So I need to figure it out, but I do want them to get bigger, and I know at Dollar Tree they sell like these stuff you can hang on the rays, these things like the fence. So I might get them. I think they look so pretty, like some petunias going down. And my mother, when they were leaving, my grandma and my tia, they kept staring at this beautiful pink petunia. So that just told me that I need to get more. And like I want to hang them para acá, but I'm scared they're gonna fall off. So I just gotta like figure it out. But yeah, you guys, like you can see goodies like my bird of paradise, this palm. The old leaves didn't, you know, got a little bit shocked, but the new ones are coming in and they look really nice and green. Yeah, quick little glance at everything. So, oh, here is my Jasena potos, y'all. Like, look, do y'all see those leaves? I placed it outside because I wanted to like grow, because this one grows super duper slow, but she did not disappoint. Like, oh my god, wow. I just want to like, I haven't seen it yet. I only see like these vines that are going down, but I want to see like how it looks on top. This is not from Costa Farm, by the way. This is the plant is from River Gardens. The mother plant was this one, but I took a bunch of cuttings and I placed it in this. Like I told you, I love, I don't know if it's in this video. I think it was yesterday's video. I got more of these for my mom's because I have a lot of pots over there, and I got a bunch of the Costa Farm hanging baskets because they're really, really great to propagate plants in them, and just everybody comes with a hanger, and that's what I love about it. So I decided to just like get them so I can propagate my plants. Oh my god, look at that. It has a little bit of water, as y'all can see, but like look at those leaves, you guys. Oh my god, looks really, really fun. And I mean, I think that's basically, you guys. I'm gonna rearrange all this stuff. I want to get a seating area para acá so I can be outside and drink my coffee. Like this is the only space that I have right over here, just so I can move the door. People, okay, so if people ask me, these are from a unboxing that I did. You can like check it on my channel. We set them up as well. I do have the links, so that's on that. And oh, here's my silver swords, you guys. Some of them, you know, got a little bit problems, and they does have a lot of mineral deposits. People ask me how I water my balcony plants. I have a watering hose that I hook up to my sink, and I literally just like water them like that. So work smarter, not harder, right? And look at my favorite orchid. Oh my god, here's a name. It did bloom, but it already left. But oh my god, like it's so beautiful. I love it. You know, like in Lowe's they sell how do you call it, orchids and moss balls. I want to buy some and I want to hang them on the ceiling because they weigh like very, very little, and to water them I just use a watering hose, and I think they'll just like do so good here. I also have some lights that I turn on every now and then to like make it kind of cute and magical para acá. And the lights are from Walmart. Yes, I shop at Walmart a lot. It's because it's really cheap and you just gotta be in a budget. Do y'all see, is that what I think it is? Do y'all see all those new leaves coming in? Oh my god, you guys. Also my twister, look at her. She's living it outside. It's a lipstick twister, and I cannot wait for it to bloom because they have the most beautiful flowers. And here is a Hoya as well. My Maranta para allá. My moonshine sansevieria was reverting, but now since it's outside, you can see those new leaves that look so nice. Scandapsus is looking beautiful. Charsus Strumentis, Spider Plant. This blue candle cactus, I believe. And here is an update on those plants, by the way. Variegated Aglaumenia para acá. But doing pretty good. Alocasia Mickey Mouse, the turtle one, variegated anthurium. Right over here we have a variegated bear paw. But yeah, like there's just a lot of plants all over the place. I'm just gonna go and figure it out. But that's basically it, you guys, on the balcony. Thank you so much for joining me to this new planting video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up to let me know. Same positive vibes to each and every single one of you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!